The GST is gone, at least for now it seems, because the chances of the crucial indirect tax reform getting the green light in the winter session is getting bleaker by the day. The signals are coming from none other than Finance Minister Arun Jaitley himself after a luncheon meeting with senior Congress leader Anand Sharma and Ghulam Nabi Azad. The Finance Minister admitted that there are high chances of the winter session getting washed out. Putting the blame squarely on the Congress, the Finance Minister said in his Facebook blog that it is unfortunate that the reason for Parliament disruption keeps changing by every passing hour.
With just 6 sittings left for the current session, the Congress says it needs time to study the GST bill. Speaking exclusively to your channel, Anand Sharma said there is no hurry to implement the new tax law and there is no consensus yet on some of the crucial clauses. Sharma added that the party is yet to hear from the government on its suggestions. A fresh deadlock over GST and what it means to the country's most ambitious tax reform. That's our top story on Business Tonight.
The crucial goods and services tax may be headed for yet another delay, and it looks like the bonhomie is over. Biscuits and warm tea has been replaced by acrimony and cold distance, with both sides not hardening stand against each other over the GST. An all-important meet between the BJP and Congress leaders today remained inconclusive. The meet attended by Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj and Venkaiah Naidu from the BJP and Ghulam Nabi Azad, Jyotiraditya Scindia and Anand Sharma from the Congress failed to break the stalemate.
अरे जीएसटी जरूरी है। जीएसटी एक कानून ऐसा है जैसे दूसरे कई कानून जरूर है। हमारे इस देश में कानून हैं बहुत सारे जिनको बनाने की जरूरत है, लेकिन कहीं न कहीं जो देश में हो रहा है, ये देश में एक किस्म का आतंक जो फैलाया जा रहा है बीजेपी के या बीजेपी सहयोगी मुख्यमंत्री या मंत्री के द्वारा, कहीं न कहीं तो केंद्रीय सरकार एक्शन लेगी।
On record, it was the absence of Congress leader in Lok Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge, but the reality is that the Congress feels its demands were not met. Government's informal effort to build consensus did not impress the Congress, which believes the government is now delaying the bill. After all, there can be no talk without a formal formulation by the government. Some give, some take on issues like abolition of 1% levy. Making cap on rate part of bill and dispute resolution would have ensured the passage of the bill. But with just 7 working days left for the session to end, paucity of time could be the biggest threat for the GST during this session, making the government's rollout time of April 2016 extremely ambitious. Priya Singh with Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.